Hi guys, this is Sherry from Mylar Packages. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized Mylar bags in my channel and make your Mylar bags more attractive.
Customizing bags from the same series, e.g., different sizes, flavors, or scarce but with a consistent design themes offers several strategic advantages over creating completely different designs for each product. Use a different color for each flavor, variant within the same series, e.g., green for matcha, pink for strawberries. Customers can instantly grab the one they want if you offer small, medium, and large sizes, a consistent design with clear size labeling, and perhaps the scaled-up logo makes.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your Mylar bags, please don't be shy. Free to contact with me. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.